Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or block sensitive contents on Twitter. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your application on your device, which is formally known as Twitter. After opening the application, simply click on the profile picture in the top left corner. From there, you can go to Settings and Privacy. Just simply go into Settings and Privacy. You will find this Privacy and Safety option in Settings. Just simply click into that option. After that, you can see this Content You See option in the third row of Privacy and Safety settings. Click into that Content You See option. Then, you will find this toggle enabled for Display Media that may contain sensitive contents. You just simply have to disable this toggle in order to block or turn off sensitive contents on Twitter. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.